So in this video we're going to see how to get logged on and started on the Isaac Physics website. So if we just go into Google and we put in Isaac Physics is almost the first thing that comes up. And here we go, click on Isaac Physics. And here we are in Isaac Physics. Now we need to log into the system. Now, of course, you don't actually have a login yet, unless you have one from a previous class or a previous teacher, in which case you can use that login. Just skip ahead to the teacher connections towards the end of this video. But if you do not have a login, you must sign up to use the Isaac Physics service. So here we go, it's a pretty easy system to use. Let's put in the first name, and this person is called Ginny Weasley. Everybody knows the greatest of all the Weasleys. And as a password, because she likes him a lot, she's going to use the password Harry Potter, because she has a bit of a crush on him. So here's her password, Harry Potter. And her email address is ginny@magic.com. Good email address, isn't it? Now, I have no idea what her date of birth is, so I'm going to make it this time here. And she was probably born, I don't know, in 2001. What a fine upstanding year to be born. So she's going to register now. And there we go, she's registered into the system. Now she needs to put in a few details, and most of these details are just so that Isaac Physics know who's using their site. So she's female. Now she needs to log as a member of our school. So St. Angela's, St. Angela's Ursuline School. Otherwise she won't find our teaching account. And she wants to do chemistry. So we're going to tick the chemistry thing. Here we go. Save. Okay, now Ginny is now an official member of Isaac Physics and is ready to get hooked up into my class and see the assignments that have been set for her to do. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into Menu, My Account, and here you can see a variety of tabs, Teacher Connections. Now to get into the class that's been set up by Mr. Clift to use, she's going to use the code TY3. Connect. There it is, D Clift, Mr. Clift at St. Angela's. Confirm. Groovy. So she's now into the system. So if she now goes back to here in the menu, she can see under My Assignments, she now has two assignments to do, called Atomic Structure and Atomic Orbitals. Let's just have a quick look at the very first one, Atomic Structure. Now all the assignments in Isaac Chemistry look like this, with a sequence of hexagons. The hexagons are each a short question is behind each one, and they're designed to go from easy at the beginning towards hard at the end. Let's have a look at D1.1. It says, give the missing numbers or letters in each of the following ground state electron configurations. A missing number or letter is indicated by a question mark, which you'll need to replace with the appropriate number or letter. Beryllium. 1s2, 2s, well, beryllium has 4 electrons, so this must be the number 2. 2, check. Correct, thank you very much. Nitrogen. Well, nitrogen has 7 electrons, 1s2, 2s2, something p3. Well, that is a 2, because it's the 2p subshell that's being filled to. Great. And of course these questions get harder and harder as you work through. Okay, so that's how we're going to log on to Isaac Physics and use the questions, the chemistry questions on that, to see how well we're understanding the new stuff we're learning.